What is an NFT project under 0.3 ETH that you would look at for you? Okay, so what's a project that has dope art and vibrant community? So let's explore an NFT PFP project that dropped back in August 2021 and the team is still building. What is up, NFT explorers? Mike Damazo here to help you navigate through the metaverse as your no-show resource. So for this video, there's a lot of questions that I get on the DMs about which NFT to buy, and none of this is financial advice, and it is one of the projects that I want to cover so that you are able to walk away from this video and have it as part of your research. Fang is a collection of 8,888 Fangsters. Now, are they wolves, cats, or foxes? I'm not really sure, but they're assembled from 160 traits. Fang launched in August 30 with a mint price of 0.04 ETH and sold out in 8 minutes. Selling out an NFT collection isn't anything new. In fact, it's almost second nature to expect when an NFT avatars has a drop done right. So you can buy one of them from the secondary marketplace like OpenSea, Looks Rare, Nifty Gateway, or Rarible. Its current floor price right now on OpenSea at the time of this recording is 0.27 ETH or about $722 at this time. Now, let me be clear, none of this is financial advice. I hold zero Fang NFTs, and I'm covering this project to help out others in search of NFT PFPs that is under 0.4 ETH or about under $1,000. First, let's go through the numbers. With only 8,888 in the collection, there is a total of 4,385 unique holders. The number one owner of Fang holds about 115 Fang, and the average owner has 2 Fang NFTs. There's 57 Fang in NFTX's pool. So say you don't care about which Fang NFT you want to get and you want to dollar cost average into Fang, meaning if you purchase the NFT from NFTX, the buy price at this time is 0.2726 ETH, but you say you only have 0.08 ETH, you could swap that out for the NFTX pool token, and once you have one full Fang, you can swap it out for one of the ones they have in the NFTX's pool. Now, that does sound a bit complicated, and if you want to learn more about dollar cost averaging into NFT collections, let me know in the comments below. So far, with Fang, they released the ability to claim Pixel Fangs, a supplemental pixelated NFT of your Fang and their outta token, AWOO token. So outta is an ERC20, basically their currency in their Fang ecosystem. One outta token equals one outta token. Also, just want to say that is an awesome token name, because every time I'm saying outta, I feel like I'm howling. I'm not even sure if it's a full moon right now. Anyways, Super Pixel Fangs are coming. Not sure specifically what this will all entail other than Pixel Fang 2.0, New Fang City Hub, meaning this will be their entrance into the metaverse, which will most likely be land in the sandbox like most NFT avatar collections out there. Now, Wild Fang's streetwear, no, it's not merch, but actual streetwear based on Fang. While this is in the works, this has become a basic add-on for most NFT PFP projects. The different thing though is Fangster will also have Fangster plushies, so you could think of it as IRL goods, and it's definitely cool. It's a cool add-on specifically with Fang, as it does have a staying power in my own opinion, and it's similar to like say a Hello Kitty plush, but obviously Fang has more edge to them. Now, other items to consider with Fang is airdrops. There is a Diamond Fang club where you get airdrop different collabs with the team. So this is a familiar play where I've seen it before, where World of Women or even Cool Cats dropping art collaborations with different artists or even teams. So Fang's one-of-one collections do stand out and is one to keep an eye on. Now, the team also does giveaways. I don't know if you guys actually heard the dog. Maybe the dog out there might have heard me say about the outta token, so it might have heard me howl so much. Anyways, moving on. The team also does giveaways of ETH, Fangs, and Pixel Fangs. As mentioned, the Pixel Fangs were the second drop from this team as a free-to-claim item, and it is already easily integrated with World Wide Web. For those that don't know, World Wide Web is an interoperable pixel art MMORPG metaverse game giving utility to popular NFT projects. So think of like Sandbox, more pixelated. All right, so let's jump back into the numbers. Out of the 8,888 collection, about 1,026 items are listed. The highest last sale was 12 ETH, and the most recent max purchase price was 0.55 ETH. With the increase of unique holders, the team is definitely delivering, and it is one of the NFT projects that's under 0.5 ETH to keep track of. As mentioned earlier, I don't hold any NFTs from Fang, and as I'm doing this research, I am thinking about maybe jumping in and purchasing one or maybe even three, depending on like how I feel, what the price is. Lastly, I jumped into their Discord to ask the community what they like best about Fang, and a lot of members have answered that like the best thing was the community and culture. It seems like they hold game nights as well, and the Fang team continues with developing the ecosystem, working hard to do giveaways and secure whitelist spots for their holders. The team isn't over promising, but it's just working the ship out for the community. I like the fact that they're trying to secure whitelist spots, so instead of like doing the whitelist grind, if you already have this NFT, you have that availability to win a whitelist spot. So my question to you is, what do you think of Fang? What other NFT PFP avatars that has tokens available to claim? I know Subcount is one of them. I want to say Kongs. So do you own any Fang? Let me know in the comments below. Tap that thumbs up for this video because it helps us out with the YouTube algorithm as a trusted source about NFTs. Sound off in the comments below what you think of Fang, Pixel Fangs, and any other projects to explore. Gently subscribe and turn the notifications on for in-depth videos about NFT breakdowns. Watch one of the other NFT videos, projects, tools, and trends. Stay legendary, and I'll see you in the metaverse.